In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use geolocation information from your Mailchimp audience. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your audience's top locations and how to turn that insight into smarter campaigns. First, head over to Mailchimp. Once you're in your account, look for the main navigation and open the section labeled Audience. This is your hub for everything related to your contacts. From there, go to the Audience dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your list, including growth, engagement, and, importantly for today, location insights gathered from subscriber activity. On the dashboard page, simply scroll down. Keep going until you see a card or widget labeled Top Locations. This is where Mailchimp surfaces the countries or regions where your subscribers are most active. The data is typically inferred from subscriber interactions, like opening emails or clicking links, so it reflects where your audience is engaging with you, not just where they signed up. When you're looking at top locations, take a moment to note the relative distribution. Are most of your opens coming from one country, or is your audience spread across several regions? This helps you decide how to tailor your messaging. For example, if a large portion of your audience is concentrated in a specific country, you might reference local events or use examples that resonate with that market. If your audience spans multiple time zones, this insight can help you schedule sends at times when each region is most likely to open. Keep in mind that these location insights are strongest when you have consistent engagement. If your list is new or small, you might see limited data at first. That's normal. Give it time and keep sending quality content. Also remember that location is an approximation. Subscribers traveling, using VPNs, or opening on mobile networks can affect accuracy. Treat the top locations panel as directional guidance rather than a precise head count. Now, how do you put this to work? Use the location insight to refine your content plan. Align promotions with regional seasons or holidays. Consider adjusting subject lines to reflect local context. If you create multiple versions of a campaign, test which regions respond best to certain formats or offers. After you send, compare performance across locations to learn what resonates. That's all you need to access and interpret geolocation information in Mailchimp. Go to Audience, open the Audience dashboard, scroll down, and review top locations. Use it to send at smarter times, speak more directly to your subscribers, and ultimately improve engagement. Thanks for watching.